Hello everybody and welcome to another video. This one is on our new Inspiron 2650. It's not particularly new. My uncle gave it to me about a week ago. And funny thing is, me being me, I took 2 videos of it and I didn't keep them because they were bad videos. Because I was in Massachusetts, about 100 miles away from here, at my grandmother's house in kayaking for the week, and my uncle lives right near there and he gave me his computer, and that's where I did the 2 bad takes on it. But anyway, so it's an Inspiron 2650. It's in really good shape. It does have some scratches on it, but you don't really notice that in low lighting. It does look pretty good in total. I didn't even notice those before until I put it in good lighting. So the screen's nice and clean. It does have a Pentium 4M in it. Windows XP, of course. I'm going to start it up. This thing's awful picky with going to the BIOS, so you have to hit it really quick. Just going to tap it. There we go. Okay, so this is Pentium 4M 2/1.2 gigahertz. I don't know what that means, but it means something. Yeah, I don't know if you can switch between those, but you can't edit it because you can only select a black text here. Okay, so it's got a 40 gig hard drive too. 384 megabytes of RAM. He gave us some other RAM with it too. I don't know if this is the RAM he upgraded, and if it was the old RAM, because he upgraded the RAM a couple years ago or something. This is what it is. 256 megabytes DDR, 33 megahertz, CL 2.5. So yeah, if you've noticed, this is my new video camera. This should be my first video with this camera. It's quite good. It's a JVC. What is it? I'm forgetting. Sorry about that. I accidentally ended the video. This is one of those cameras where you flip the side down, like the side thing opens to show you what it's showing. Okay. And I flipped it down. It's a JVC Aerial camera. Yes. So more about the laptop. It has a working battery. He wiped the hard drive with DBAM. It does not have an operating system on it, of course. Yeah, the battery is new. We got a new battery for it. And my camera is having focusing problems. I had this a while ago. What are you doing? Focus. Focus. Anyway. Gave us a copy of M-Test because, I don't know, I wanted to.
You said we had some RAM that was acting up.
Yeah, so he gave us a copy of that. We could burn our own CD, but we're too stupid to do that. Just kidding. We could, but we don't want to. And he also gave us this carrying case with it and on low battery power. This camera chews through battery power almost as quick, if not quicker, than an old camera. I used to whine about that thing. Yeah. But at least it's good quality. Apparently it's 720p. So he gave us this carrying case with it. Pretty simple, not much inside there. It's only really got 2 compartments, one here, one there. And he also gave us a wireless card for this thing. I don't know if it goes with the thing or if it's just
it plugs in the side and the wireless internet access.
Yeah, I thought that might be the case. Anyway, and here's a power supply.
It's a universal 20 volt 3.5 amps. We have a bunch of those already, so they're kind of universal.
Okay. So that's about the laptop.
I'm thinking. He said it doesn't start up all the time. I don't really know. I might want to. Of course, I'm going to do typical maintenance, like clean up the CPU fan, the heatsink, get all the dust out of there, since usually there's a lot of dust in there.
He says it spontaneously shuts down. Not like it doesn't boot, but it will spontaneously shut down when it's booting, which is odd. So anyway, I might as well talk a little bit about our videos and stuff. I've been way behind uploading the videos. I just uploaded one a couple days ago. That was from June 11th or something, which is a week over a month ago, over a month ago. And I'm hoping to get this one uploaded tonight. I can't guarantee it though. Today is what, the 24th, 25th? I don't know. But anyway, should be uploaded soon. So, thanks for watching. I always say that. Yeah, I always say that too, but thanks anyway.